Let's go, let's go. We are already very late. Oops. We have to run, we have to run. We have to एक और train पकड़ना है. So much train trip. This video is going to become like a train trip more than Versailles trip.
Okay, this is the station's name. Okay.
If you'll ask a French, it will be like Gabo. Gabo. Okay, we are sitting.
सुसु ब्रेक.
Versailles जाना है. चलो 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 चलो.
We are going.
I did it, guys.
छोटे black color dog चीनू नाम ने छोटे वाले पीछे हैं आता है ना छोटे बड़ी चाचा.
We are going today a new place again. So ट्रेन देख के समझ ही गए होंगे आप लोग कि हम लोग आज again कहीं जा रहे हैं. और according to title, you definitely know where we are right now. So आज 15 अगस्त भी है. So मुझे लगता है इससे और अच्छा बेहतर तरीका हो सकता है to celebrate our Independence Day as an Indian. I am very excited to go to see the whole firework. Where are we going?
Château. Versailles Château.
Château.
Château Versailles.
Yeah. Where are we going? Hello. Okay, yeah. Where are we going?
Château de Versailles.
Where are we going? Okay, not in mood. So we are going Château de Versailles to see. अब मेरे लिए वो Château ही है.
This year marks the 400 years of Château Versailles.
Okay.
And Château Versailles used to be the place where the kings of France used to stay.
Oh, that's interesting.
And today is a special day because it is Ascension Day.
Okay.
And usually in the summer months, Versailles Palace or Château hosts evenings which has fireworks and spectacles with their fountains because the famous part of Versailles is their gardens and fountain shows.
Wow.
So
It's going to be huge.
it's huge.
Wow.
It is huge, and so today they are going to get some of the best people to do fireworks. There's going to be fire dancing with fire. People are going to do fire dancing.
So much fun is going to happen. We are going to see a lot of creativity, a lot of. You'll see. ट्रेन में बैठे हमें ऑलमोस्ट 5 से 7 मिनट हो चुका और ट्रेन अभी तक चल नहीं रही है. So yeah, this is how he explained why train is not moving.
Explaining to
Explain why train is not going.
see the train is not going.
Okay, wow, very clear. चलो जल्दी चलो वर्साई जाना है. चलो. I did it, guys. I did it. I pushed the train. We are all decked up. She's my Golgappa. Let's walk and talk.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to
Hello,
agree
guys.
to disappear
So हम कहाँ पहुँचे अभी?
this one
We
last
reached
time.
Versailles.
Yes, we reached our
Pretty
destination.
weird that day when we did not
Yep.
exchange our
Before that, we're going to stop
hellos.
at the KFC.
Yeah, because we need to
Wasn't
share some food.
looking out for
Hungry,
you.
hungry,
I'm
hungry.
sorry, I'm so shallow.
Right. Let's
I'm still
Let's meet at the
looking forward
food
to
place.
watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows
That's how husbands are.
with you.
So sweet. So sweet of him.
Subscribe to my channel as well.
He doesn't have any channel.
We will put the link in the description.
Yeah, I will. That's the another thing that he doesn't post anything. So yeah.
And I don't care if I got much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole
We
in
are
the
following the
ground.
Google map. And we are trying to find a KFC on any food place.
going to find any food. We are going to find KFC.
Okay, we are going to find KFC. और हम जा रहे हैं इस सुनसान रास्ते पर. पता नहीं KFC का पता नहीं, बट कुछ और ज़रूर मिल जाएगा. Something haunted. क्या योगू? Are you scared or are you having fun?
Yes.
You having fun?
Yes.
Me too. And yes, I want to shoot a dance reel with her. And she says, no. Comment down below, guys, if you want to see her dancing. She dances very good, I know, but she's like hidden talent. वो दिखा नहीं रही अपना dance moves. I'm gonna force her. I'll force her today. Look at this view, by the way. It does look spooky, but I like spooky. Let's go. So we found our KFC. Can you see this one? But हमें McDonald's भी मिल गया इधर. Now we are thinking, what should we order? हाँ? McD ना? मैं भी सोच रही हूँ. चलो, then McD करते हैं. Let's go. लाइन बहुत बड़ी है और वेट करना पड़ेगा. Dugu is hungry. Dugu, are you hungry? Yeah. How much? So much. 1,000 longer. Okay. What do you want to eat? French Coca-Cola. I want Coca-Cola and French fries and burger. And chicken? Yeah. Your chicken? Line बहुत बड़ी है. Hi guys.
Okay, it was oh my god, surreal. Literally, lighting was so good, guys.
Yeah, it was really beautiful.
We were literally like this.
Mesmerized.
We were mesmerized, truly. So now it's all over. We are going back to home. Taxi is waiting for us. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. So comment down below which part you like the most, and like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video with some new, again, crazy, fun, exciting moments. Until then,